Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee tire. Park safely, engage the parking brake, and place wheel chocks opposite the flat. Confirm the vehicle is in park or gear and remove the hubcap if present. Loosen lug nuts slightly while the wheel is on the ground. Position the jack under the recommended lift point and raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground. With a warm, conversational tone, loosen the lug nuts a turn before lifting to keep the wheel stable. Place the jack at the manufacturer's lift point near the tire and pump steadily until the wheel clears the ground by a few inches. Remove the loosened lug nuts and set them in a safe place. Keep fingers clear and wear gloves if you have them for better grip and protection. Once the vehicle is raised and secure, pull the flat straight off the hub and inspect the brake area for debris. Mount the spare by aligning the lug studs and slide the wheel into place. Thread the lug nuts by hand until snug, lower the vehicle slowly, and then tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to the recommended torque. Store tools and the flat tire safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.